Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, we hope to earn your subscription. Our current subscribers, thank you. Alright guys, I'm excited about today. We're over here at the JMI workshop. We had an opportunity to acquire this trailer here. We're going to do a little unboxing video on it. As you can see, I've already opened it. I just wanted to open it and take a peek in it real quick to make sure that it didn't get damaged in the return shipping. This was a trailer that somebody else had commissioned. Was able to work with the man and help him out in that scenario. I actually have the second side dump trailer he's ever built at the JMI workshop. After he built mine, he went ahead and did some upgrades to it, and that's the version that he's doing a limited run of right now. I'm happy to get my hands on one of these. So without further ado, let's start this unboxing. Come on over here, cameraman. Get a good shot down in here. I want to say how impressed I am with the packaging. This was all put in here nicely when I first opened it. But check this packing job out. This thing ain't going nowhere. Come on, get up out of there. Here we are. The new JMI side dump trailer. Okay. So here it is. I want to point your attention up to here. It comes already pre-wired. If you know somebody that may enjoy watching this video, please feel free to share it with them. We love it when you share our content. Got all the wiring that you need right here. You just got to connect your own whatever ends you want to use to plug that onto your truck. Connect them up. Got your hoses pre-plumbed for the hydraulics. Let's get this thing open. What we got sitting in here? Get this the right way so y'all can see it. We got a little drawing of it here. Yeah, what we got here? It's got a diagram that comes with this. It'll kind of show you how to wire up all your pumps and relays and switches and what have you that are in this unit to make it function. Alright, let's get this bad boy out of the bag. Let's do the big unveiling. If you're enjoying the video, please take a moment and leave us a comment to let us know, and we'd appreciate it if you give us that thumbs up. There we go, right there. I'm a happy man. I want to show you the back of this trailer here. It's got a place here in the back. Yeah, these holes are actually designed to work with TrueScale's lights. So if you want to order some bezels and some lights from Russ over at TrueScale, they'll go right inside here. Cameraman, can you get a good shot right down in there? Right in here. This is just like my yellow trailer that y'all have seen before. It does have fully functional air ride suspension. Here they are right here. I mean, this thing will actually go up and down once we get it all wired up and hooked up to the truck. I'm excited about this. There it is, folks. This is the new JMI side dump trailer. JMI has been working on these things for a little bit now, and I think with this version right here, he's just about, if not perfected, this thing. Stay tuned, because I think there might be something new coming out of the JMI workshop shortly. Alright folks, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Have a great day.